Hey guys, in this question we need to prove that the points which are given to us, that is 3, 0, 6, 4 and -1, 3 are vertices of a right angled isosceles triangle. That is the triangle which is a right angle and has equal height and base. So the points are, let's see, this is the triangle and this is the point A, this is point B and this is point C. So let's say B and C. We need to find out the distance between this and this side, and then use the Pythagorean theorem to verify that this is a right angle triangle, and we will see if the distance between AB and BC is same, then this is a isosceles triangle as well. So we can do this by using the formula this x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So we can put these the value like in this question. In this part we have x2 equals to 6 and x1 equals to 3. So 6 minus 3 equals whole square is 9, and similarly y2 is equals to 4 minus y1 is equals to 0, and this is 0. So 4 square 16, 16 plus 9, that is 9 plus 16 whole root, that is 25. Root 25 is equals to 5. Similarly we will calculate it for BC and then AC, and we will see that the distance between AB is 5 and AC is 5 and BC is 5 root 2. That is, it is root 2 times of the AB and BC, which satisfy the Pythagorean theorem. And AB is equals to AC, that is, the triangle is isosceles triangle and right angle as well.